Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Huntsville local and long-distance movers near me. If you need to move within Huntsville or outside the state of Alabama, you need to enlist the help of a moving company. Professional movers like 3 Movers offer all types of moving services in the city of Huntsville to move you anywhere you want to go. Moving long distance means you are moving within Huntsville or moving interstate, from one state to another. For a move to be considered long distance, it has to be over 100 miles. 3 Movers are highly adept at such moves, having been in the moving business for over 2 decades. Local moving involves moving around or slightly outside Huntsville, as long as you move away less than 100 miles. Moving is an intricate affair, with numerous logistics involved to ensure your belongings arrive safe and secure. At 3 Movers, we have established ourselves as an authority on matters moving. When you have precious belongings that have to be moved, you can request the white glove services. We help you pack and crate fragile items like fine art, ceramic figurines, antiques, etc. We also help you to load the items securely to ensure they do not get damaged in transit. 3 Movers is an affordable option in Huntsville, and if you want a stress-free moving experience, they do not disappoint. The cost of the move will depend on various factors such as distance you are moving, number of items, size of your residence or office moving, etc. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.